If you're watching this, I'm willing to bet your search history looks a lot how mine did. How to start reselling. How to start reselling for beginners. Best things to resell for profit. Is Amazon FBA worth it in 2026? I had fallen down this huge YouTube rabbit hole, and for what? I ended up with a notebook full of conspiracies, people telling me to do things when I really didn't actually see that website, nor did I actually see the real proof. I just saw somebody talking on a video, but no real leverage, no real product, no real anything. And let me make this clear. I've been reselling for over a decade, and I have been able to start 4 phone stores, 1 wholesale warehouse, and this is not by luck. It's by me actually acquiring leverage, which has to do with my physical inventory. And this is something I haven't seen online. Not somebody just making money on YouTube, but making money in real life, selling products both online, in person, and also at pop-up shops. Like, come on, let's be honest. We've seen gurus digging through Ross and TJ Maxx claiming that they're making $70K a year. Then you would have another raving about making insane profits from drop shipping. It just became frustrating, misleading, and to be honest, I lost a lot of money believing the hype because I always ended up trying to understand, do I need an LLC, reseller's permit? How do I actually acquire products if I didn't want to invest? And should I actually invest my money in the first place? How do I get started? Well, in this video, I'm not going to bother you with the long talks and stroll and endless advice. I'm going to tell you exactly what to sell. And matter of fact, I'm gonna give you the exact box that you need. And this is not something that has to do with drop shipping or selling a dream. This is real life assets. You pay less for products that are valued for more. And what does that equal? Profit. I'll be honest, the turning point for me was failing at drop shipping because I didn't have any control, and then trying to sell on AliExpress and Alibaba and only seeing I had poor quality products. Then I started actually looking and taking matters into my own hand. I found suppliers. I've traveled to over 6 countries. I've also sat down with over 68 full suppliers that even sell on Alibaba, sell on DHgate and Temu. People that sell, own, and thrive on just creating products. And this box right here, this one full of products, cost somebody $250 and is able to make them 400 to 6 easy, quick, and most importantly, anywhere they take the products. I mean, the main goal is to put the products in front of the people that need them. Summer's coming up, pop-up shops, flea markets, there's endless opportunities. And what I'm gonna do is show you guys by unboxing one of these packages that is actually going to Washington, D.C. on order 6853. And this is actually a local store getting this. I sell these to stores, resellers just like you and me, and also big box businesses. So this is going to be the box. We're just gonna unbox them. I'm gonna explain and show how these products can actually lead you in the right way. So, I mean, I understand. We always look, how could we start? Well, this is not just starting, this is executing. Because see, you get stuff like this. These are the Max clones. So you get 1 pair of these. Okay, I'll put these on the ground. Then you get another pair, which is going to be the red pair, okay? Now, these sell anywhere from $60 to $90, all the way, sometimes depending on the season, to $125. That's a good price. I'm not gonna put all the prices on the screen. I'm just going to show you guys because I gotta package this and send it to the post office in a second. Now, this is going to be a Type-C dual car adapter. This again, 45 watts. That is powerful. That is something a lot of people could utilize to help build, especially when they're content creating or just commuting in their car on a consistent basis. Uber drivers, Amazon DSP drivers. We're talking about businesses that can actually build from that product. Next, we have an Apple Watch charger. This is the Type-C Apple Watch charger. Then we have the dual Type-C and the Type-C to Type-C cable. Wow. Then we have the MagSafe wired charger. Now, if we're talking price, guys, I would sell both of these for around $7. This right here, $10.50. And then this car charger, we can easily sell this for $6.50. This is a really good impulse buy, and also something you could list on eBay just to prime your account. Now, if you don't know what priming your account is on eBay, I have a video teaching you how to prime your account, and it is on Educated Hustler. What it does is priming your account helps you, it really helps you stay under the radar with eBay, as eBay does try to scan your account, seeing if you're just trying to sell the most expensive things. You could lay low by selling products even like this. This is a AAA, so OEM quality Type-C adapter. This you could sell for $6.50 to $10.50. Then it looked like we have another one. This is actually going to be just a generic one, USB-C adapter. Now, we sell these because we want to build a relationship with you at our wholesale website, wesply.com. This is where you can get this resellers kit. And the products that sell for you fast, just order more. This is actually a dual USB and Type-C adapter, one of the most popular adapters currently. This again, $6.50 to $10.50. Then this is our most popular power bank. This right here is a 20,000 mAh power bank, which is a very powerful power bank for your iPhone 14 Pro Max that can charge it up to 5 times. This comes with a flashlight, 2 different adapters, USB and Type-C, and it lasts really, really long. I have one myself. I would sell this for $15. Then you have this MagSafe charging, okay? So this MagSafe battery pack, this is a 5,000 mAh. You can sell this for anywhere between $12.50 to $15. Packaging is immaculate, and I think that this was one of our top sellers last year. This is another dual Type-C to Type-C with the Type-C adapter. Okay, that's again another $10.50. This is our Q77 Icon wireless headphones. Fun fact, I got these from a supplier, didn't know these would actually sell really well. This is a really, really affordable wireless headset that people buy, and they sell these for $12.50 all the way to $30, right? So you can make some good profit with that. Here's another power bank. Now this one is 20,000 mAh as well. Now, all of these power banks are really, really high quality and high charging. 20,000 mAh is very, very strong. You're going to find 47 mAh, 3,500 mAh, but those are going to be in the $50s to $60 price range. We could sell this anywhere from 15 to 25 because of how low we get these. Then you have a battery pack. This is 5,000 mAh. This will sell anywhere between $20, $25 as well. Why? This is going to be a mobile battery pack, right? This right here is mobile, but you can't put it on your phone comfortably and be able to carry it around, obviously, right? This one you can. You could just hook it to the bottom of your phone, all right? We have another dual adapter. This again, $6.50 to $10.50. We have the charging pad. So this comes, it charges your Apple Watch, your phone, and also AirPods as well. This is TSA approved. You can literally take this through TSA. This has been selling, last summer we started selling this, and we've continued to sell it throughout the year. This, I would say you want to sell it for $15 to $17. We have this impulse buy, and we just threw these in there. This is a squeezy dumpling. You can sell this right now. It's trending. You can sell it $6, $9. Really good on TikTok Shop. Then we have some of our generic audio. So this is a generic audio. And these two are generic as well. And generic is just basically saying you want to list this on eBay and just sell it for pennies on a dollar. So I would sell these for like $3 each and just get the positive feedback. Then you have the S6 headphones, sell these for $6.50. And then you have the iPhone 7 Lightning adapter headphones, oldie but goodie, sell this for $7.50. Then you have the Type-C. These are the most popular ones right now. You can sell these $9.50 all the way up to $12, bundle them together as well. And then right here, you have the oldie but goodie Gen 2 pods. So we sell these for $55 to $60, $65. These are really, really good, have been selling for us, awesome. But then we hooked you up, and we're hooking people up all month with our new Gen 4 pods. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the pods. Guess what? Each of those pods are going to go for $75 to $90, and we could just put them at a $75 evaluation. This box is going to make you over $400 to $700 depending on your pricing, and it literally all has to do with you just investing minimal into leverage products that people need. Not one product here doesn't serve a purpose. Even this little squishy dumpling is a trending product that draws people to your store. This right here, the Gen 4 pods, these are something people look at and get attracted to. But then you can even go to adapters. These are needs. People usually never just buy one, they usually buy multiple. These don't come with the new iPhones. You can even talk about these. These are gravity products. These look very similar to Apple, which makes people want to buy them. Every single product has a use case. You could literally take one of these boxes to a flea market, cash out, make $500 to $600. I'm telling you, and this is just the start. We sell these boxes on a discounted rate wholesale just to build a relationship with you guys. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys go ahead and comment below. Thank you so much for watching. The link for the resellers kit is down low. But also guys, if you see some of the products that you want, buy them. Whether it's from me or somewhere else, get them, start selling them, and continue to make money work for you. If you guys want to learn more about product reselling, there is a video on the screen. Click it, learn more, grow more, make money work for you. Peace.